a consultation with a client who applied for Royal Society endorsement, so a science academia route, and got rejected. And I want to talk to you about the reasons she got rejected and how you can decide if you're eligible or not based on her case. So she is in the medical field. She actually has a PhD, which qualifies her. She published quite a lot of articles in her career. She's also an owner of a practice in her country. So kind of all makes sense. However, there were certain bits in her application that disqualified her. Number one, she published all of her articles in the period of kind of 10 years, finishing 2020. Which means for the past 5 years, she hasn't published anything at all. For peer review route, you have to be an active researcher, and that means you have to be publishing right now when you apply for this visa. So if all of your scientific publications are dated 5 years ago, you might not qualify. On top of that, you need to be an active researcher. She is an owner of her practice, and she actually doesn't work at any research institute or university or anywhere like this. All of the clients who got this visa with our help actually had job titles, researcher or a research associate or assistant or anything like that at university or at research institutes. And a third problem she had in her case, she had reference letters from industry professionals, so similar practice owners in the UK, which kind of makes sense, but for scientific academia peer review route, those have to be academia professional. So yes, out of, let's say, you need to submit 2 reference letters, we usually submit 3, so out of 3 letters, you can have 1 from the industry, so like business owner, but 2 others ideally would be from academia, from professors, and she didn't have any. And this could also disqualify you. So if you are making an application right now, make sure you are an active researcher. You are an active researcher, which means you are not just a business owner, but you actually have a job title related to research. And your UK referees, at least one of them, is academia. Even if you are in industry, having an academia reference is very important for your case.